Listen for his purr. Can you hear him purr? Presenting the new cleaning utensil. It can be used in a variety of colors depending on what it is used for. Presenting the cat mop. Now available in orange and white. Cat mop has many uses. You can wipe your table. Ow, 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 ow. Comes with a patented holder. Okay, teeth and cloths. You can wipe your tables with it. You can dust your tables too. Dusting is easy as can be, and then later on you can pat the boy on the butt. Get him mad, scribble his head, and then slap him on the butt again. Scratch his head, slap him on the butt. Look at that job, at how fine it is. He's so adorable. You can buy him anywhere, except for at Walmart. You can buy them at pet stores and find them on the streets. But don't use dead ones, because they don't purr as much. Purring on the kitty. Damn, I was going to use that one as a joke. I was going to say, and it comes with an alarm. And it comes with a 5 o'clock alarm. It always wakes you up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Don't worry, I'm not hurting him. I'm doing this. And he's like, yeah, slap me on my butt harder. Harder, Sarah. That's too hard. Don't do that. I don't like it. You can clearly see that I am pissed. Don't do that, Sarah. I'm still pissed. Clean that up. Clean it up. Clean it up. Don't try to act sexy. Clean it up. Also, it comes in with the automatic mess maker. When he's trying to act sexy, make sure you remove any substances that could cause harm or damage to you and or the cat. Don't rub up against my butt, boy. I know where you sleep at night. Outside my door. He sleeps outside my door. And he cuddles. Door, stop throwing up against my butt. No. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. If I don't like it, then Bob the Builder doesn't like it either. Don't. Aw. How can I stay mad at you, even though you screwed up my thing? Well, hey, I found a Virginia quarter. I can sell that to my friend JQ. Well, anyways, back to Forrest. Forrest is cute. Cutie, 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 cutie. Watch him play with my, well, whatever the fuck this is. Oh, Forrest. Oh, ow. No. 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 No, no, no. No. You know what? You're so adorable. No. No. Thinking that you can act sexy. You're so sexy. Eat bag. Eat bag, whore bag. Kitty, 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 kitty. Don't ruin my rag. Don't ruin your nails either. Bad kitty, bad kitty, bad kitty, bad kitty. No. No. Oh, look what he did already. Anyways, this is Sarah. This is Forrest. Signing out. Signing out. Don't tell me. Don't never turn off the camera and drunk. I'm so sad. Don't let her turn off the camera. Look at how she's beating me up. Signing out, Forrest.